A public service message from Professor Oak of Pokemon.
Stop on the red, cross on the green. Never take a ride in a stranger's machine. And always make sure you're
Hey kids, it's TV's Baron von Brunk, and I'm here today to demonstrate for you the functionality of one of my early electronic LEGO creations, a functional traffic signal. This was engineered and built by me in the fall-winter 2013, and was essentially my foray into incorporating electronic components into my LEGO models. The brain of this traffic signal is actually a model railroad traffic controller, which I slightly modified by removing some of the resistors. Wired into the microchip is a parallel circuit of three 12-volt LED spotlights, which are activated with a toggle switch. I want to point out that this project was built long before I knew how to write codes and program with Arduino. Also long before I knew how to build homemade circuit boards. Hence, I had to rely on modifying a pre-existing circuit board when building this project. For those of you who follow me on social media, you would know that throughout 2014 and 15, I was in the middle of a truly electrifying revolution of building homemade electronic circuits to use with my elaborate LEGO creations. Some of these creations ranged as simple as blinking musical Super Mario Bros. Sprites, which had an AT Tiny 85. Or were rather advanced and elaborate, such as this mosaic portrait of Luigi that played music and lit up. This project was extremely complicated and required several TIP-120 transistors to control an array of LED panels. When the push button was activated, a chiptune song would play in synchronization of the LEDs lighting up. Now, with that said, this traffic signal was built long before I had a thorough knowledge of electronics. At the time of this traffic signal, the most that I could really do was solder some wires here and there. Therefore, in retrospect, this entire circuit could easily have been powered with a simple Arduino code for alternating blinking lights. The LED spotlights are held into place with sockets, which have holes in them which are coincidentally just the right clearance to insert standard LEGO bars. The holes in the corner of the circuit board are also just the right clearance, so they're held into place with LEGO pins and cones. Now the output of the red, yellow, and green lights is achieved through the usage of bedazzling LEGO Technic bricks. To see more information on this design principle, check out my video on how to build mosaic LEGO lamps using transparent tiles and plates. If you're interested in possibly building your own version of this lamp, I actually did make instructions for this back in 2013. Link in the description, of course. Albeit my tutorial contained links for buying the model railroad controller. Again, I made this project before writing my own Arduino codes. Thanks for checking out this unique electronic LEGO creation of mine. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me on social media to get more updates on my LEGO creations and artwork. Also, check out these other videos of mine to see some more demonstrations and tutorials.